Okay, for the second products, we would like the market to know is that based on our COB technology, we have developed this one. We can see that this is a meeting use devices. We name it LEDHUB, LED hub. This is the name. Now everybody knows that for the meeting devices, some persons they are using LCD, but LCD has a bottleneck. That is a size limitation. You can never get an LCD much bigger than 110 inches. And some customers they use LED of SMD type, but SMD has its short advantage that you can never touch it with your force. And for us, because we have many strengths on COB technology, so we integrate COB with meeting devices. That for this one, you can see that it can realize all the meeting functions, and also you can touch it. So we combine LCD and SMD advantages together to make the customer's demands realized. And for the LEDHUB, presently we have developed for 3 sizes to fulfill different sizes of meeting rooms. And today this one is 110 inch. This is P1.2 and with 110 inch. And also we have P1.5 with 135 inch, as well as P1.9 with 168 inches. So all of these 3 types is for the HD 2K that make all the customers can see the pictures clearly, can see the other persons in other cities clearly, and can hear clearly. Everything is integrated in one side. So this is the movies, and if we go out, we can see more on this one. For this one, we have 2 systems at the same device. One is Android, and the other one is Windows. So, oops. This is our Windows systems, and we can go back with the Android systems. At the same time, customers can plug in 9 devices. That means if there are some attendees, you can connect your cell phone, you can connect your laptop. Altogether, you can connect 9 devices at the same time. So you can share your PowerPoint, and he can share his PowerPoint, and the other persons can share their PowerPoint at the same time if they want, in the same windows. So I believe nowadays, the 5G is very popular, and if the customers with these advanced products, I believe their online meeting will be better. They will have a much better experience by this one. So if you want to get more information, you can get our website, www.ledman.com, LEDman, for LEDHUB. Thank you very much.